Welcome to the EMAC Technology Center. I'm Mike, one of the application engineers here, and today we will dive into the Milltronics 9000 series control. The 9000 series control is the latest CNC control from Milltronics, and it has improved immensely over the last generation, and we will show you a few of its capabilities in this video series. In this video, we will focus on the mid-program restart function. If the program is interrupted in the middle of an operation, ideally it is best to restart the program from the interruption point instead of restarting the program from the beginning. The 9000 series control makes this easy. All you have to do is press Run Program, press Start, press block number, enter the proper block number, and the control will read through the program to the selected block. Press Modal. Upon pressing Cycle Start, the tool will move to the restart position. This simple yet user-friendly function is easy to use and will save you a ton of time. Remember, you can reach us on all social media platforms or simply call us for more information about Milltronics products. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.